Hello and welcome. My name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher, and I focus my work on posture, not only because good posture looks good on us, makes us feel elegant, but also, most importantly, good posture keeps pain away. Something that you might not realize is that the ailment or condition that you may be suffering with, it's very likely to be a result of the misalignments and imbalances that we all create in the body as we go about life, that no one ever has taught us how to move efficiently and in ways that keeps the back safe and keep us from straining the body unnecessarily. So once you understand how to move better and more efficiently and how you can keep your back safe, that's when and when you start addressing the misalignments in your body, that's when you start seeing a shift in your health, and not only physically but mentally as well, because when your body is well, your mind is well, and vice versa. So today I am bringing to you a breathing exercise from the Feldenkrais method. So I work mainly with Feldenkrais. Sometimes I bring yoga as well into the equation, but mainly is Feldenkrais, because Feldenkrais is all about teaching the nervous system, re-educating the nervous system to come out of patterns and move towards better patterns. In other words, to move more efficiently, okay, and correct the misalignments. We can only do that through the brain, okay. We can't force the muscles to go to places they are not used to. We can't force the bones to go to places they're not used to, because that's not the way, because muscles, they don't have memory, and bones, they don't have memory. It's the brain that teaches the nervous system, and then things start getting better through re-educating the nervous system. So this is why Feldenkrais is so magical. The movements are mostly gentle and slow, and that's how you can really heal the body without forcing, without pushing, but with being patient and taking, you know, a day at a time and going step by step. So I have a few digital courses where I help many people get out of pain, improve their posture. The links are below. Have a look if you are looking to heal your body and improve your posture. The link is below. So today I'm bringing part 2 of the breathing exercise. Breathing is very important, and I'm not going to repeat it again. If you haven't done part 1 or seen part 1, please do, because you need that. You can't do this one without part 1. Okay, you have to do part 1 and then part 2, and it's best that you do one after the other, straight after the other. So if you want the video in one video, if you want the exercise in one video, have a look below. The link is there for you with this exercise in one video. So let's start. Let's lie on the floor. Okay, now you're going to go back to the exercise. We're going to hold the breath again, okay? So this time, just listen for a moment before you start. You're going to breathe in. Remember not to breathe fully, but just a normal breath in. And then what you're going to do, you're going to move the air without breathing. You're going to hold the breath. You're going to move the air to your belly and push the air out through your bottom, okay, and then you let go and breathe in and out again. Okay, so let's repeat that. You're going to breathe in, then you're gonna sink the chest and move the air to your belly. So you're going to inflate the belly, and push as if you're pushing the air through your bottom. Okay, you're not breathing in and out, you're holding the breath. Okay, let's do it together. So breathe in, hold the breath, sink the chest and push the air to your belly, and as if you're pushing the air out through your bottom. And then release and breathe in and out. And repeat that a few times. Remember, when the air goes to your belly, you inflate in the belly, the back of the body presses against the floor. Remember that. The tendency here again is to arch the lower back. You don't want that to happen. Carry on with this movement. Breathe in, hold, sink the chest, move the air to your belly. Push it out. And then release. And carry on a few more times in your own pace. Okay, and let that go and just breathe normally. Relax your jaw. Okay, now we're going to go back, and this time you're going to try to do a seesaw movement. Okay, so you're going to hold the breath, move the air to your belly, then you're going to sink the belly, move the air to the chest, expanding the chest, and then squeeze, sinking the chest, moving the air back to the belly, expand, and then up and then down. So you're going to do that as many times as you can without breathing, okay, by holding the breath. Again, only hold for as long as it is comfortable, but you want to feel that seesaw movement going on through the chest. Okay, inflating the chest, sinking the chest, inflating the belly, sinking the belly, inflating the chest, and so on. Okay, and you do that as many times as you can, slowly, as many as you can, by holding your breath. Okay, so whenever you're ready, start breathing normally, and then sink the chest, move the air to the belly, push the air out, and then sink the belly, push the air to the chest, expand the chest, sink the chest, move the air to the belly, and so on. Remember, when the air is in the belly, the back of the body is against the floor. It's pressing gently against the floor. Okay, and carry on with this seesaw movement. Take as many breaks as you need. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Pay attention to the back of your body, your lower back, your sacrum. A few more times in your own pace. Okay, and let go and just breathe normally. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same thing, but do it faster. See how fast you can go with this seesaw movement in the body. Okay, so whenever you're ready, do it a few times in your own pace. I mean, you need to go fast this time. I mean, just take breaks, as many as you need. Pay attention to the back of your body. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Okay, and then let go and just breathe normally. Okay, this is the end of the exercise. So if you want to release your arms onto the floor, you can do that. Just breathe normally. Just notice how your breathing is now comparing to the beginning of this exercise. How has your breathing changed? Let me know below, please, your experience. As I said before, it's best that you do this exercise together, part 1 and part 2, one after the other, okay? And if you want the whole of the exercise in one video, have a look below. I've got the link there for you. Okay, let me know below how your breathing may have changed. If you have any questions, please let me know your experience. It's important for me that you share with me your feedback, your experience, so that I can support you, I can guide you, and I can bring other things to help you, okay? So you can stay lying here for as long as you want. Now I'm going to finish this video here. So if this video was of value to you, give me the thumbs up, distribute it within your tribe, the people that you care about, and have a look at my digital courses to heal the body, to improve your posture. Have a look at, I have individual Feldenkrais lessons as well. If you want just one or two, have a look below. I put the links there for you to go and have a look. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now.